So I saw this air bearing works on balloons, like, you know, when you get CD and put a balloon on it and it hovers along. Well, this looked quite good, so I thought, you know, let's have a go at it. So this is just the start of the print. Looks like it's going to take a few hours to do this, guys. Success! That works good, I think. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. I left the information in the description if you'd like to have a look. I think that works well. Well guys, I saw this project and I thought it was really interesting. I know you can make easier ones with just a disc, what you call it, a computer disc and stuff like that, but this was interesting. It's supposed to spin, it did spin, but I think you have to push it a little bit with the spinning thing, and it really worked better than I thought. So I did this out of fun. Thank you very much.